Alright, welcome back to the Bread and Butter Kitchen. I want to share with you today my strawberry cheesecake mousse. It is so easy to make, 5 ingredients and only a few minutes of your time. Let's do it. So the ingredients for this recipe is some cream cheese, some thickened cream or heavy whipping cream. We got light jelly. We're going to use some chocolate as a garnish on top and just a little bit of vanilla. First of all, we're going to get a cup of boiling water. And what we're going to do, we're just going to get the jelly crystals together with the cream cheese and get that combined. So we're just going to mix it until all the jelly crystals is dissolved and the cream cheese is dissolved too. I'm just going to use a spatula. Let's just make sure it's all in there. Just going to whip it up for a little bit longer. So for the next step, we just need to do our whipped cream. So we're going to use a full bottle of the cream. I'm going to add a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. Now you don't need to clean your mixer, just go straight in with it. So once your cream gets stiff peaks, we can just add our jelly mix to it. And then back in with the beater, just on a low speed. We don't want to over whip it now. And there's our base done. So all we need to do now is set it in a few glasses and put it in the fridge. Just pop them into any containers that you've got. And we're just going to finish it off with a little bit of grated chocolate on top. Alright, we're just going to pop that into the fridge for at least half an hour and then we'll come back and see how they are. And there you have it, super easy keto cheesecake mousse with only a few ingredients and a few minutes of your time. If you want to see more recipes like this, subscribe to Bread and Butter, give the video a like and leave a comment down below for any future recipes that you would like to see done. Alright, cheers.